The other big story we're following tonight, Baltimore City, the latest area to drop the mask mandate when outside.
So at this point, that only leaves Montgomery County as the only jurisdiction here in Maryland still requiring masks at this point. Paul Gessler has more on the city's decision tonight and when masks are still required.
At Druid Hill Park Friday, when we broke the mask news to Sister Kalolo, she broke into dance and didn't exactly hold back.
You get that?
Not everyone is as thrilled.
It's sending the wrong idea. It's a mixed message.
The city Friday morning lifted its outdoor mask mandate in line with the state guidelines laid out earlier this week.
This is new and updated guidance based on what we now know.
The city's health commissioner points to CDC guidance and what we've known for a while. The risk is lower outdoors.
And that risk is substantially lower if you've been vaccinated.
I think this is welcome news in a time such as this.
You know, it's kind of like putting a muzzle on a dog, not that we dogs or anything, but I think it's good for us to be able to interact a little bit closer. I hope nobody's getting sick.
People are continuing to transmit the virus, and Baltimore City Friday just passed 1,000 total COVID deaths. The mask mandate remains in place at outdoor venues like sporting events and live performances, as well as any work where you interact with others. Masks are still required on public transportation, ride-sharing services, and when you're obtaining health care services. The CDC guidance ties outdoor mask use to vaccination status, which gives some people pause.
A lot of people out here that hasn't received the vaccine, that said they're not going to get the vaccine, they're not going to have a mask on. So how can we protect ourselves?
Live in Highlandtown now, Baltimore City also announced today Baltimore's colleges and universities can move forward with graduation and commencement ceremonies, provided they follow proper health and safety guidelines. Reporting live at 5 tonight, Paul Gessler for WJZ.